The puzzle in the park. It was bright Saturday morning. The sky was blue and the birds were singing sweet song. Amir and Sara, two friends, ran to the park holding their favorite toys, a puzzle box with 100 colorful pieces. Let's finish it under a big tree, said Amir excitedly. They sat down and began fix the puzzle piece by piece. The beautiful picture of the castle started to form. But just then a ball came flying. Whack! It hit the puzzle, the piece scattered everywhere. A small boy stood nearby. I didn't mean to, he said softly. I was just playing. Amir jumped up. You spoiled everything, he shouted. The boy's eyes filled with tears. He turned to walk away. But Sara held Amir's hands. Wait, she whispered. Let's think. Amir frowned. What's there to think about? He rounded it. Sara took a deep breath. Remember what teacher said? Stop, breathe, think, then act. Amir paused. He looked at the little boy who sat alone on a bench, wiped his tears. He didn't do it on purpose, said Sara gently. And look, we can fix the puzzle again. Amir walked to the boy. Hey, I am sorry, I shouted. The boy looked up. Wanna help us fix the puzzle? Amir smiled. The boy's face lit up really. Soon the three kids were laughing, working together, and the puzzle looked even better. Sara smiled. See, thinking before reacting make a big difference. Moral of the story: when something goes wrong, don't let anger over it. Pause, understand, and respond kindly. That's real strength. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.